So in this 3D, you can understand the magenta color is your profile. Throughout the length it is considered. Orange color is the lower value, that is the inner coaxial cylinder, and the transparent image is your outer coaxial cylinder. So for this feature, the diameter 5 mm pin should have a tolerance of plus or minus 0.005. This particular component surface, when we are measuring the roundness at each and every point, and when you construct a cylinder like this cylinder, it should be having a tolerance zone of 0.003. That
is. So for datum A, the feature control frame, which is attached to the datum feature A, what it is saying is this particular face should be having a flatness tolerance of 0.005. Since flatness is a form tolerance, we don't have the datum reference here. The third zone will be missing, only the two zones will be available. Datum feature B